Health benefits of Ramphal, Sapodilla. Rich in energy. Ramphal is high in natural sugars like fructose and sucrose, providing a quick energy boost for the body. Supports digestion. It contains dietary fiber that helps prevent constipation, promotes smooth digestion, and supports a healthy gut. Strengthens bones. Ramphal is a good source of calcium, phosphorus, and iron, which help maintain strong bones and teeth. Boosts immunity. It is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which strengthen the immune system and protect against infections. Improves heart health. Potassium in Ramphal helps regulate blood pressure and supports cardiovascular health. Supports eye health. Vitamins A and C in Ramphal contribute to good vision and help protect eyes from age-related issues.
It's lighter.
Promotes skin health. The antioxidants in Ramphal fight free radicals, helping maintain healthy, glowing skin. Helps with anemia. Iron content in Ramphal aids in the production of red blood cells, reducing the risk of anemia. Anti-inflammatory properties. Ramphal contains compounds that help reduce inflammation and promote overall well-being. Good for mental health. The natural sugars and nutrients provide energy for the brain, supporting focus and mental alertness.
It's lighter.